A regional meeting of northeastern states with Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Tripura and Sikkim will be held in Guwahati on 4/10/2024, Friday, the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Government of India is organizing this regional meeting to hold focused discussions around consensus on labour reforms, E-Shram National Database of Unorganized Workers, NDUW. Building and Other Construction Workers, BOCW, Employees State Insurance Corporation, ESIC, and Employment Generation Initiatives. The meeting will be chaired by Srimati Sushri Shobha Karandlaje, Union Minister of State for Labour and Employment, and will be attended by Mrs. Sumita Davra, Secretary, Ministry of Labour and Employment, and senior officers of the Government of India and states. This meeting in Guwahati marks the culmination of an ongoing series of 6 regional consultations being held by the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India with the states, UTs, which commenced with convening of the first regional meeting with southern states, UTs of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Kerala, Puducherry, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bengaluru on the 30th of August 2024. This was followed by the second regional meeting with northern states, UTs of Punjab, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh and Rajasthan in Chandigarh on 6/09/2024. The third regional meeting with western states, UTs of Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Daman and Diu, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli in Lakshadweep was held in Rajkot, Gujarat on the 15th of September 2024. The fourth regional meeting with eastern states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh was held in Bhubaneswar on the 20th of September 2024. The fifth regional meeting with central states, UTs with Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand and Delhi was held in Lucknow on the 30th of September 2024. Key labour and employment issues including harmonization in draft rules framed by states, UTs and central government under labour codes, issues related to employment data collection and sharing. Inputs on the Employment Linked Incentive (ILI) scheme announced in the Union Budget 2024-25. Establishment of E-Shram portal is a one-stop solution for easy access to social security benefits for unorganized workers including migrant workers. Expansion of coverage of various central welfare schemes to BOC workers, upgradation of employment exchanges etc.